Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and it's a beautiful day here in Georgia today, and so I hope y'all having good weather wherever you are today. And today I'm making some chewy peanut butter brownies. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting in my sugar. This is white sugar and it's a half a cup. And then I'm going to be putting in my brown sugar, which is a half a cup. And this recipe will be in the description below. And I think this is going to be a really good little snack for us to eat. I've seen this recipe around and I thought, well, I have all the ingredients, so I think I'll make them for me and Calvin today. And so the next thing I'm going to do is put in my half a cup of peanut butter. And I forgot to spray this, but it's coming out okay. Okay, I got that off. And so the next thing I'm going to do is put in a 1/3 cup of butter. I'm going to mix this all up. Okay, now then I'm going to add in 1 egg, and a pinch of salt, and a half, not a half, but a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, I'm going to add in my other egg. Move this out of the way. Okay, now then I'm going to add in just a little bit of my flour and a little bit of my baking soda. Mix this all up good. Okay, I'm going to put in the rest of it, the rest of my soda. Move that to the side. Okay, I'm going to scrape down my bowl. Okay. Now then, I'm going to take my pan. I've already sprayed it, and I have some parchment paper down here. And so I'm going to put in my peanut butter mixture. And the recipe says to not over mix this, because if you do, it will be more cake-like instead of chewy. Okay, so I'm just going to spread this out. I think I'm going to get a spoon. I think that's going to work better. And this is a simple little easy recipe. And I think they're called Chewy peanut butter brownies, and I think these are going to be really good. Okay, so I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. And when they're done, I'll be back and I'll let them cool off for a little while, and then I'll do the taste test. And everyone knows that that's the best part of a recipe. So I'll be back in a little while. Hi everyone, I'm back and my brownies have cooled off now. So I'm going to take them out of the pan and cut them up now. And this right here, this recipe, just about everyone has these ingredients in their pantry: peanut butter, brown sugar, sugar, and white sugar and butter, and vanilla flavoring. And so this is a good little economical recipe. So I'm going to cut them into bars and do the taste test. And these will be a chewy brownie. And Calvin, I want you to do the taste test too.
Okay, I will, Marie.
Okay. Put them on this tray.
They look real good.
Yeah. With the way food prices has gone up and everything, I think this is a real economical little brownie too. Okay. Here you go, Calvin.
Come around here with you and try a bite of them. The texture on them looks real good, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm. Wow.
It's really good in
I
it.
love that first bite. That is very good.
And it's got that chewy texture to it, doesn't it? It's good.
These are perfect, Marie. Well, I'm not going to keep eating while you're talking, but that is really good.
It is. It's a real economical, good little brownie in it.
Yeah, I'm glad you decided to make these this afternoon. That's going to go good.
Okay, so I guess we'll close this video out.
Yeah.
And so I hope if y'all make these, let us know in the comments below how you like them. And it's just a fast and easy recipe. And so I hope y'all all have a good afternoon. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.